come here. He not fire. Me I beg him like a pussy and he not give it. Oh, yeah. Gala. Pretty girl, come here. Pretty girl, come here. He not fire. Me I beg him like a pussy and he not give it. Oh, yeah. Gala. Pretty girl, come here. Me know, come please. They don't know what they're flying. No man ever hold them when in a mama gut. Guess what? You ever hear the song? Star Majuki, Harry Ajuki, Beef in a baggy girl, and this is one Ajuki. So guess what now? Everybody can get a juke, so she don't know which one of them breed are. So I feed her, I pick it in them. They don't know. No man, them they sang the record before you were born. But it's still, you know it, don't? He know it, you? You're good. Yeah man, there's a, why he said it's the first he hear it. He want to say this song now exists. Go up on Google and find his phone. Tom Juke your mother, Harry Juke your mother, Jana Juki, that the one a Juki. So when the girl breed, you don't know who we call the belly name. Pan. Read him.
My grandson, yes.
The grandson doing Papa because I want man, big grandson, man, I think. He never take Tom, Harry, or Juki like a few. Beef in a baggy girl, go have some way.
They make you walk in the front of the road.
Who?
You say one.
My grandson.
Him.
None of them not fit my grandson description. My grandson would keep company with them.
Yeah.
I am this
I take you over there.
I'm not catching, sir.
Left me. Go ahead. Cancel and reverse. Back with fire. Back to the ratio. Either South Camp Road or Willow D. Whichever one. Not back. Oh. Cancel. 2. Double. Sorry, that. You can take what? Why you have to all cranny demons, you. We have sex with all you want liquor picking them when they liquor, and it haunt you. Sex all you want liquor picking them, cancel it and reverse. Back to the land. When you stop fucking and find a husband and marry and go sleep with her, you don't have to seek profit.
So how are you?
Jackson, good morning.
People say you face it, but you don't face
Mr.
it.
Jackson, that them face it because I am brown, so I don't know how them get me to face it.
Because
my mother have me for Mr. Brown, so I am brown. My name is Brown, so I must them are the face it.
Yeah, because
the only face
you have never been disrespectful to
no,
me.
But hold on, you're not getting the point I am making. The only face I know of. It's the name of a person, Facey.
Oh.
So that's what I keep on telling you. I am not Facey. My name is Brown.
You're a beautiful lady.
Maybe they are the Facey.
And I love your personality.
I'm
and I like.
comfortable with the name Brown. I don't want Facey.
I love how you're straightforward.
Except he's a little husband.
So wait, you're a husband. You want a man like me?
You're not listening. Except he's a little man with the name Facey.
Oh.
That's the only way I would come with the name Facey because I am already a Brown. You get the point.
But I'm Jackson, so we're not related. So
me not talk about related. We talk about the name Facey here.
You're supposed to be
you're not following the track.
No, I know what you're saying.
People say I am Facey. Let I go back there. You're too anxious. You need to listen. Let I go back there. And I said I am not Facey. I am Brown. And the only facing maybe is them.
Face the commodity limited.
So if facing, no, it's still facing is the name of a person. So if I am to be facing, except a man by the name of Facey, I come married to me and me end up named Facey.
Oh,
You get
your
to know.
point.
And you are Jackson already.
me a Jackson
Unless
already.
you are going to do a deep hole. And it wouldn't make sense.
It would make sense.
Deep hole and me go,
But I love your person.
I wouldn't want to get into that one where the man go do a deep hole and me married to him. Some problem going to be there. I mean, not in the marriage, you know, but the whole idea of the deep hole and you get married and the name have to change. Thanks for liking my personality.
You have a lovely
And
smile.
You have a good day.
And God bless you as
and
always.
Into Christmas now. What you have in there can drink?
No,
you
we not.
didn't
Me not
carry
carry
the
drink.
water?
No, me not carrying the water.
Oh,
Yeah.
Mr. Jackson.
So we're heading for now.
Have a good day.
We're heading
and
for.
that is a little bit personal. I won't give out that information.
No, if I was going to Kingston, I would take you, but we're not
No,
go far.
I'm not going to Kingston. But I would not give out that information.
Which is right, which is right.
To go on the the social media.
Oh, understood.
Yes, so don't put some of those things.
But we love you. We love you here.
I know.
Keep as blessed as you
I
are.
love the people also.
I
So-
keep as blessed as you are. You have never been disrespectful to me.
No,
And
I
I prove
wouldn't.
to Jamaica that you are a very
Because
lovely person.
You approach me polite.
Okay.
Yes.
And that people don't understand.
Yes.
That people don't understand.
So you have a good day and for the rest of the season, happy season, and you be careful as you go along the way in this time of the year.
Thank you so
Yes.
much, Miss
Love
Brown.
you.
Love you too, alright?
Bye. Have a good day.
Alright.
Ready, food ready. Yeah. The man in the big what there?
Have you ever done? Yeah, man, I saw me, my name, man.
Yeah.
You carry me all over the world, that's what me tell
Pat
you.
up Kalalo.
Kalalu from
Big
Pat
man
Up.
there. Yeah, man.
And saltfish on the bottom, that's what we did. We the Mount Airy farmers.
Yeah, man, I think that man.
Yeah. So you find me
Stop at there. I don't know, stick today. She carry far. Nancy up there, sir. Woo! Mr. Man is not eating. He's belly full. Oh, God. Shamia eat FEMA, everybody else who gone. All of who leave. You know? Yeah. Oh, Mr. Bates, dumpling and callaloo. See there? Dumpling. I'll Devon there. See there? The man you have to go come quick.
Dumpling boy. Got me there.
No, for Mr. Bates, no.
That's what it done, you know?
No, left him.
You left 3 dumplings for you.
For you, Mr. Bates are bien. Mr. Bates, just Mr. Bates just said I left 3 dumplings for you.
Kalalu and saltfish.
Pat up.
Pat up, Kalalu. Come in when you're ready, boy.
Pat up. Yeah, man.
Man, nobody salting, you know. That's how we knock to say matter.
Woo! Oh, well, I'm not securities.